Hi, my name is Matt Sorensen, and in this video, I'm going to be presenting the Week 5 coding assignment. So, the first question was to create an interface named Logger. I just went over here, right-clicked, create a new interface, called it Logger. Oops. And wanted me to create two void methods to Logger interface, and that each take strings, one called log, one called error. As you can see, we have two uh, public void methods, one called log, error, both taking string. And then the assignment wanted me to create two classes that implemented the logger interface. So I had to go over here, right click, and create two classes uh, that were called asterisk logger and space logger. As you can see, I went ahead and was able to do that. For the asterisk logger, I was supposed to have it take the string it received and put three asterisks on each side of it. So it took hello, just print hello, and to do that, public void log, print out, and I just put two strings on each side and concatenated the log in between them. And then the next part of the asterisk logger was to have it print out the error hello. And again, it was very simple. I just had it print out a bunch of asterisks on the top and the bottom, and then print out the error colon plus the error with some more asterisks at the end. And each one of these did it on a new line, so it was able to create a box. And for this part, this one was a little bit harder. It wanted me to put spaces in between after each character within the inputted string called log here. So to do that, I create a string builder, create a blank uh, string builder, and create a for loop that essentially put a space uh, up to, it put five spaces because, well, in this case, it put five spaces because the string that I put in was hello, and so it put five spaces in there and looped until it, hit five. And then once that was done, I appended the string that was created from this for loop, and I put the characters at the given elements in between all the spaces. Then afterwards, I printed out the string builder string and used the toString function to get it to print correctly. And then for the last part, this was essentially the exact same thing, except the only difference was that I needed to concatenate error colon space right before the the uh, the spaced out input. Then finally, I needed to create a class called app that has a main method and instantiate the instance of each of my logger classes so that I can implement the logger interface and so that I could test and put in strings of my choice. And so I just went here, right clicked, created a new class, app, I gave it the main method, and I had to go logger, then create the variable name, create two new instances of the asterisk logger, two new instances of the space logger, and then to get that to run correctly, you do .log or .error, and then you put whatever input you wanted, whatever argument you wanted it to perform the function on. So if we change this to banana, and then ran it again, you can see it did the same exact thing, except with the given argument.